Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing Spinex, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. Spinex was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, Spinex returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. Spinex operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. Spinex is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. Spinex, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
I'm turbulent and you are cool. You watch me smile and dance like a fool. But I don't care, 'cause you do like me. We'll lose it all and we'll be free. We'll lose it all.
Does your phone always run out of battery when you need it the most? You know, when you're lost trying to find your way without any battery left on your phone? It sucks! Or when you're just about to take an awesome picture. Without any battery, you can't. And that sucks. But what if you had an infinite power source, so small you could have it on you at all times? This is Sunslice, the smallest and lightest solar charger in the world that folds to the size of a credit card. You can use it anywhere. When you're on the go, using your GPS, when you take a break at your favorite cafe, it is capable of charging an iPhone 6 by 50% in 2 hours. You can connect all your devices using the integrated USB port to charge other devices such as GPS, flashlights, portable batteries, GoPros, cameras, and portable speakers. Forgot your cable? No worries! We went further and designed Sunslice to include an integrated micro USB or lightning cable, so you can still charge your device anyway. Sharing is caring, and that's why you can pair up with a friend to double your charge.
The secret of smooth, but powerful, even fast. Delicate performance. Cut anything you want with Wonder Cutter. Do you really think it's always tricky to do something delicately? Easy, fast, delicate. Ultrasonic waves, Wonder Cutter. 40,000 times per second. Invisible superfine vibration of Wonder Cutter will help you to achieve more precise and fine performance with light and smooth touch. It doesn't matter wherever and how small the workspace is. Built-in rechargeable battery allows you to conveniently use anywhere, at any time. With an on-off switch, Wonder Cutter will keep you safe throughout the work process. From paper to chemical fabrics, wooden and plastic materials. Excellent cutting performance for all kinds of materials with easy handling. Wonder Cutter will bring you the most satisfactory result with a higher quality than ever. The secret of easy, fast, and delicate work. Cut anything you want with Wonder Cutter.
Everybody has OCD, especially when it comes to cables. We like cables to be tidy, clean, organized, and put in places where they belong to. What if you don't need a cable to charge your devices? Introducing No Cable, the best portable wireless charging station designed for your new iPhone. No more stumbling over the cables, no more endless waiting to start up your dead phone. Just put, charge, and go. No Cable is compatible with any device that meets Qi standards. Whether you're using an iPhone, Samsung, or Google, No Cable always keeps your devices fully charged. Connect No Cable with the power supply and leave your phone on it. No Cable charges your phone while it's getting charged itself. The premium casing material makes No Cable light, durable, and easy to carry. It also features 2 USB ports that allows you to charge other 2 devices while charging your phone wirelessly. Imagine a perfect day with No Cable. Wake up in the morning and throw No Cable in your bag. Use your phone throughout your day to work, talk, and play, and never worry about getting a drained battery. Leave those messy cables at home and free up some space in your luggage for things you really need. No Cable is all you need for work, play, and travel.
This is the Print Pocket. Turn your phone essentially into a Polaroid camera, snapping a photo and printing out a physical version of that image instantaneously. The app itself allows you to look at an image and it plays a video clip. It can trigger a video clip from the moments surrounding that actual image.
Hi Kickstarter! 3 years ago, you backed our first product, the print case. This year, we released our second generation, the Print Pocket for iPhone, which is the smallest instant camera ever. But with thousands of Android users reaching out to us, we decided it was time to go back to work and design their product. That's why we're here, back on Kickstarter. We want to work with our community to make the Print Pocket for Android the best possible.
Visi has invented for you the best phone holder. The sun visor is the closest place to the eyes, ears, and mouth of the driver. The sun visor is the ideal place for a phone holder to have hands-free talk and navigation. With free application My Visi, you will drive safe and easy. All calls will start in speakerphone.
Can you hear me now?
You can answer calls by double-clicking with your finger. Or you can close or reject the call by clicking the display with 2 fingers. With your phone's hands-free application, you can use voice control. Answer.
Hello.
With sun visor open.
Even if you look at your phone to talk or navigate, the road will always remain in clear view.
With sun visor closed.
Even if you look at your phone to talk or navigate, the road will always remain in clear view. Visi, visibility. Visi, drive easy and safe.